Hi everyone, we're going to find the equation of the tangent normal at point P, which is -1, 0, and we're going to graph those lines and our function. So to get the slope of the tangent line, we have to take the first derivative, then evaluate it at our x. So let's just take the first derivative. F prime of x is 3x squared minus 1. Now we're going to plug in our -1. So this would be 3 times -1 squared minus 1. And that's going to be 3, that's going to be 2. So our slope is 2. And if our slope of the tangent is 2, then the slope of, I'm just going to put perpendicular like that, is -1/2. All right, so we have to find our equation. So we're going to write y equals mx plus b. In this case, it will be 2x plus b. And plug in our y and our x. So 0 equals -2 plus b, so b is 2. So our equation for the tangent line is y equals 2x plus 2. And then do the same thing for our normal line. So you have y equals -1/2 x plus b. So we have 0 equals -1/2 times -1 plus b. This equals 1/2. Therefore, b equals -1/2. And then just plug it back in. So you get y equals -1/2 x minus 1/2. So there's our two lines. And then we just have to graph this. So we already graphed in another video, so I'm going to have to factor this and find my zeros. So let's factor out the x, and we get x squared minus 1, which can also be written as x times x minus 1 times x plus 1. So let's graph those zeros here. And also from polynomials, we know that it's degree 3, and it's positive here. So we're starting in our end behavior. We're going to start here and do something like this. It goes up like that. So we're just sketching it anyway. Now let's graph our tangent line. So and we're doing it for this point here. So we go to 2, and you kind of sketch those two. It's supposed to touch right there, just touches at that point. So there's your tangent line. And then for this one, the perpendicular line, our y-intercept is -1/2, and the same with the slope. So just kind of connect those two. Oh, I gotta turn this. Let me see how's that. All right. So there's your normal line. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.